Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Blackview A80s. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Blackview. Also on Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. To input this key though, you need to select Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!